gonna do this video. My bird's just playing around. You might see them do crazy stuff. I don't know. I'm thinking, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but enjoy. So, I'm just gonna tell you their names. Okay, so the blue one, right there, the blue one is Crystal. The green one, which is behind the blue one, is Sprite. The yellow one is Daisy. And the white one, which is going to be very hard to notice, is Snowflake. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And please, no bad comments, really. Please don't. Well, thank you, and enjoy the video. Yeah! If you hear background noises, it's my dog, my brother, and maybe my father. Fine.
Yeah, I see. You're making a mega mess. Oh, you drive me nuts. What are you doing, Skylar?
But Daddy,
What?
what I have to do is roll.
Okay, great job.